ओम एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्तिः प्रचोदयात्। ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। ओम ऐंकार ह्रींकार रहस्ययुक्त श्रींकार गूढ़ार्थ महाविभूत्या ओंकार मर्म प्रतिपादिनेभ्यां नमो नमः। श्री गुरु पादुकाभ्याम्। उग्रं वीर्यं महाविष्णुं ज्वलन्तं सर्वतोमुखं नृसिंहं भीषणं भद्रं मृत्युं नमाम्यहम्। ओम ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ओम ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ओम ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ओम ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहैः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शंकराचार्य मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्य पर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। विद्यानां च मनुनाम्
विद्यानां च मनुनाम्
अनुसंख्यानां च विद्यानाम्
मनुसंख्यानां च विद्यानाम्
उपदेष्टा
उपदेष्टा
कराम्
जयतीतराम्
नरसिंहानन्दनाथ गुरुः
नरसिंहानन्दनाथ गुरुः
श्रीबासुरानन्दनाथ गुरुः
श्रीबासुरानन्दनाथ गुरुः।
We were studying Bhavartha Nirupanam. वामे चे महाभारत्यौ ज्येष्ठाज्ञाने हरिक्षिति रौद्री क्रिये शिवापर्णे इत्येतन्मिथुनत्रयम् त्रिभिः कूटैः क्रमात् वाच्यम् ईकारत्रितयेन तु एतत्त्रयसमष्ट्यात्म वाच्यं शान्ताम्बिकात्मकम् यद्वागी सकल ब्रह्म प्रकृतीनां त्रयं त्रयं त्रिकूटवाच्यं मायायाः स्तुरीयं मिथुनं गतम्. Up to this we have seen. This speaks about Mithunatrayam. There are three duels. At the Srishti Samaye, at the time of Srishti, Maya splits into Vama, Jeshta, Raudri Shaktis and Icha, Jnana, Kriya Shaktis. And the combination of Vama, Icha creates Brahma Saraswati, Jeshta and Jnana creates Vishnu Lakshmi, Raudri and Kriya creates Shiva Parvati. What is left here is Kayaila Hr, Hasakahala Hr, Sakala Hr. What is left over is Im. Kayaila Hr is equal to Brahma Saraswati, the Pratama Kutasya. Hasakahala Hr is equal to Vishnu Lakshmi, the Dvitiya Kutasya Aksharani. Sakala Hr, Tritiya Kutasya Aksharani are equivalent to Shiva and Parvati. What is left? Im. Hr is here, Im is left. So, Shantambika is the union of all the duals. Not only Shiva Parvati, Brahma Vishnu Shiva, Saraswati Lakshmi Parvati, all these six combine to create the seventh one, Im. The seventh one is Im. So Shantambika, the union of the duals. This is the three manifestation of Saptami Aksharani, Saptamaksharani. And this process is called Shri Vidya. So here, Kayela Hri I, Asakahala Hri I, Sahakala Hri I. This Hakara is taken from the Dvitiya Kuta for the sake of making it 7. And this is given to the Tritiya Kuta. So Tritiya Kuta also has 7 aksharas. In this way, the Saptami Nirupanam. Vame Chadyaha Shadikara iti Saptamir Aksharaihi Triravrittairiyam Vidya Sanjata Tena Tanmayi. Because of this only, Shri Vidya is born. Because of this combination of aksharas, shabdas, Shri Vidya, Upasana is born. Shri Vidya, ideology, philosophy, Tattva is born. Vamadi Sapta Shakti Nam Samashtihi Paradevata. What are Vamadi Sapta Shakti? Vamadi Sapta Shakti is Vama Icha Jeshta Jnana, Raudri Kriya, Brahma Saraswati Vishnu Lakshmi Shiva Shakti, Shiva Parvati are Vamadi Sapta. Vamadi Sapta Shakti Nam. Vamadi Sapta Shakti Nam. Samashtihi Paradevata. The combination of all these 7 is called Samashti. Samashti means collective. Collective energy is called Paradevata. Shat Trimshat Tattvarupa Asman Matraya Api Na Vidyate. Shat Trimshat. 36 Tattvas are born. From this, 36 Tattvas are born. Out of this, even a single matra doubt is not there. How these 36 tattvas are equivalent to this Kayelahrim mantra is told later. Now you understand Kayelahrim mantra is equivalent to 36 tattvas. Ahakaro Shivashakti Shunyakaro Parasparalishtam Spruna Prakasha Rupau Upanishaduktam Param Brahma. So here the Akara and Hakara are highlighted. The letter A denotes Shiva and Hakara, wherever it comes, it denotes Shakti. For your simple understanding, I will show. Kaya Hrim, 1 Hakara is coming. Asaka Hala Hrim, 3 Akaras are coming. 4 and Sakala Hrim, 1 Hakara is coming. Totally how many Hakaras? Hakaras are 5 in number. And these 5 are the manifestations of Shakti, Maya Shakti. From this, Panchabhutas are produced. Now, further Bhavartha says, these are the 5 Hakaras and all the Hakaras are indicating Shakti. Why 1 is selected? All are Hakara only, and from this Hakara only all Panchabhutas are taking birth. And Sakara is split into Sakara and Akara, and this Akara indicates Shiva. So the whole mantra is secretly possessing Aham Shabda. Aham Ityeva Vibhavaye Bhavanim. It comes in the Avahana mantra of Sri Lalitambika. Aham Ityeva mantra is coming. Aham mantra is coming. The whole secret of Sri Vidya Upasana is Aham. Aham is the key of Sri Vidya. I used to say. Now I am showing where comes this Aham. Aham is the inbuilt tattva concept within the Kayalahrim, Asakalahrim, Sakalahrim mantra. So Hakara indicates Shakti, Akara indicates Shiva, combined together in the reverse order, Aha. And in this, Aham is the combination of Shiva and Shakti, in which we say Maya Sahita Ishwaraha. Maya Sahita Ishwaraha. Then if you remove the Maya, what will remain? Only A. What is that? Brahma. A only will remain. That is why in Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan Sri Krishna says, Aksharanam Akarosmi. A is Brahman. Out of all letters, I am the Akara. Aksharanam Akarosmi. Now, further the Prakasha Rupaha, Spruna Prakasha Rupaha. Spruna Prakasha Rupaha. Spruna Rupa is Vimarsha Rupa, and Prakasha Rupa is Shiva. Spruna is Devi. Prakasha Rupam is Shiva. And the combination of these two is Param. This is what told in Upanishad. Upanishad Uktam Param Brahma, 16th mantra. Upanishad Uktam Param Brahma. So in the 16th shloka, Bhaskaraya says, Upanishad Uktam Param Brahma. All Upanishads are speaking about Brahman. And what is that Brahman? That Brahman can be understood through the understanding of Shiva Shakti union. Vishwasriksha Vashataha Swardham Shaktim Vilokayat Brahma Bindu Bhavati Tam Indum Pravishati Shaktistu Rakta Bindutaya. So here what happens, it is told that Brahman looks at Shakti at the time of Srishti. Srishti Samaye, Shiva looks at Shakti. Here Brahman means Ishvara. Maya Sahita Ishvara. Shiva looks at Shakti and he becomes Indu Rupam. Bindu Bhavati Tam Indum. It means the Bakara is removed. The Bakara is removed from Bindu, so it becomes Indu. Bindu means the Bijam, the seed, and Indu means the moon. So the Shukla Dhatu is indicated by the Padam, the word Indum. And Avalokayat, it saw Devi. Vilokayat Brahma. Immediately, Shiva becomes the Bija Shakti, like Indu, Shweta in the color, white in the color. And Pravishati Shaktihi tu Rakta Bindu Traya. Shakti Bindu is red, Shiva Bindu is white. Etat Pinda Dvitiyam Visargaha Sanyam. Visarga Sanyam. So Visarga means what? Visarga means two dots. This is called Visarga. Now you see the Visarga in the screen. So one became red, one became white. So out of this. So Visarga Iva. Visarga is made out of two dots. So they are like Visarga. Visarga Sanyam. Sanyam means the name. They obtain these Shiva and Shakti. Those who become two Bindus. One is Shiva Bindu, another is Shakti Bindu. And they are called as, they are named as Visarga Sanyam. What is Visargaha? Visargaha is like two dots. Hakara Chaitanyam. So for this Hakara, Hakara is the base. In Hakara, these two Bindus are positioned. Mishratu Tat Samashtihi Kamakyaha. Mishra Bindu. One more Bindu is created. and two bindus are called Visarga Bindu, and one more Bindu which is called the mixed Bindu, which is called Mishra Bindu. Mishratu Tat Samashtihi. So they both combine to form Mishra Bindu. Mishra Bindu means combination of these Shiva Bindu and Shakti Bindu, and it is called Kamakya. It is called, the Mishra Bindu Tattva is called Kamakya. And all these actions are happening with Ishvara and Maya. Ravihi Akara Chaitanyam. Ravihi Akara Chaitanyam. This is Visarga Sandhi. That is why Repa, this Repa should not be taken. Ravihi Akara Chaitanyam. Ravi Rakara Chaitanyam means Ravihi Akara Chaitanyam. Who is Ravihi? Suryaha. Surya is the Udaharana, not the direct thing mentioned. Surya glows spontaneously. Swayam Prakashaha. Like that, Brahma remains as Akara Chaitanyam. Brahman remains as Akara Chaitanyam, as like as Ravihi, Suryaha Prakashayati. Brahma remains as Akara Chaitanyam. Yesha Aham Pada Turyasvara Kamakaladi Sapta Nirdeshya Vagartha Srishti Bijam Tena Ahantamayam Vishwam. For your easy reading, I have separated. Then again, chanting procedure according to Anushtup Chandas, we can do. Yeshaham Padaturyasvara Kamakaladi Sapta Nirdeshyam Vagartha Srishti Bijam Tena Ahantamayam Vishwam. Like this, we have to chant in Anushtup Chandas, but here, for our reading purpose, Yesha Aham Pada Turyasvara Kamakaladi Sapta Nirdeshya Vagartha Srishti Bijam Tena Ahantamayam Vishwam. As like as Vag and Artha. Vag means the word. Artha means the meaning. These two are inseparable. If you separate word from Artha, Artha cannot be expressed. If you separate Artha from the word cannot exist. So, Vagartha viva sampruptau Vagartha pratipattaye Jagatah pitarau vande Parvati Parameshwarau. Like that, Vagartha Shrishtihi. In Abhirami Andadi, Sri Bhatta says, Sollum Porulum என நடமாடும் துணைவருடன் புல்லும் பரிமள பூங்கொடியே. So, word and the meaning. The same Sanskritam is available in Tamil also. Vagartha Shrishti Bijam Tena Ahantamayam Vishwam. As like as the combination of word and the meaning, Shiva and Shakti are united to manifest this Vishwam. Vishwam is the universe. Antya Pratame Madhya Chaturte Mantre api Tau Vyaktau Tenamba Manu Jagatam Abeda Evatra Bhavartaha. Finally, Bhagavan Sri Basuranandanatha says what is meant by Bhavartaha. I have told all these things from 10th shloka to 20th shloka about Bhavarta. And finally, what is this Bhavarta? Tena Amba. Because of this, by this, Amba, Shakti, Manu. Manu means mantra here. Jagat. Devi, Mantram, Jagat or Abedam. There is no difference between Sri Devi, Mantram, Jagat. Tenamba, Manu, Jagatam, Abeda, Eva, Atra, Bhavartaha. Here, the meaning of Bhavarta is the Abeda Bhavam between Devi, Parashakti, and Mantra and Jagat. These three are told as one. Abheda means what? There is no difference between Devi, mantra and this universe. So all are one. The whole idea of Sri Vidya is to remove the Bedam. Bedam means the discrimination. What Bedam? Jiva Ishvara Bedam is removed and Jiva Ishvara Abedam is arrived because of the Upasana. That is the Upasana's yoga. With this, Bhavartha Nirupanam Sampurnam. Now I have a question. Anybody can answer. What is the Chaturtha Mithunam? What is the Nama? Turiya Mithunam. Anybody can answer? What is the Turiya Mithunam? Chaturtha Mithunam. Just to know, because if I am going on telling, what is the Chaturtha Mithunam? What is the Nama?
Shantambika.
Done. Very good. Shantambika, right answer. Dhanyavadaha. Who is telling?
Banarekha. Banarekha.
Dhanyavadaha. Purnashirva.
Thank you.
And anybody else? How will you indicate Shiva and Shakti by Akshara? By what Aksharas you will indicate Shiva and Shakti in the Hasakalagiri mantra, Kailagiri mantra?
I and Ha. I and Ha. I and Ha.
Ha is?
Ha
I
and
is
Sa.
Shiva. I is Shiva.
Ha
I is
and Sa.
Shakti.
How many Hakaras are there?
Five.
Five Hakaras. What do they mean?
Shakti Bindus. Shakti Bindus.
Panchabhuta.
Yes. Who is saying Pancha?
Shakti
Panchabhuta.
Bindus, Guruji.
No, Hakara indicates
Panchabhutams.
Panchabhuta. Right answer. There are 5 Hakaras in the whole Kailagiri, Vasakalagiri, Sakalagiri mantra. Those Hakaras are represented by one Hakara in the Dvitiya Kuta, and that Hakara manifests Panchabhutas because it is 5. Now we are going to study about it in the Sampradayartha Nirupanam. Dhanyavadaha. I go ahead with the Sampradayartha Nirupanam. The next chapter is Sampradayartha Nirupanam. Vyomadi Janaka Hakara Salarnau. I repeat. Vyomadi Janaka Hakara Salarnaihi Gatanena Panchabhutamayi Pancha Chatuhu 3 Dve Ekaga Shabdadi Gunatma Panchadasha Varna. I repeat. Vyomadi Janaka Hakara Salarnaihi Gatanena Panchabhutamayi Pancha Chatuhu 3 Dve Ekada Shabdadi Gunatma Panchadasha Varna. Vyomadi. Vyoma means Akasha. Starting from Akasha, Vayu, Agni, Jalam, Prithvi, the Panchabhutas, are produced by Ha, Ka, Ra, Sa, La. You have to see this word. What are those words? What are those letters? Hakara, Ha, Ka, Repa, Sakara, Lakara. 5 letters are there, no? Ha, Ka, Ra, Sa, La. Kramena bhavati. Hakara is equal to Akashaha. And this is what Panchadashi mantra, which represents these 5. Hakara represents Akashaha and the Shabda Tattva. Shabda is the guna of Akash. Shabda, sound, is the character of ether, Akash. And Kakara is Vayu. And there in Vayu Tattva there are 2 gunas. Already existing Shabda and also Sparsha. Sparsha is the Stula guna of Vayu. Ka means Vayu, and Vayu has 2 gunas. One is Shabda, Shabdaha. Another is Sparshaha. Shabda is sound, Sparsha is touch. Repa, Agni Tattva. Repa denotes Agni Tattva. And this Agni Tattva has 3 characters, 3 gunas. Shabdaha, Sparshaha. Along with that, a new character comes for Agni, Rupam. Shabda, Sparsha, Rupam are the 3 characters of Repa. Sakara is Jalam. Jala Tattva is meant by the Akshara Sakara. And already Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa are there. Rasa comes as the new character to Jalam. Agni has no taste, whereas water has taste. Rupa Rasa. So Jala Tattva has 4 characters: Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa. And then Lakara. Lakara is Prithvi. Already we have told Lakara is the Prithvi Tattva and it has 5 characters. Jalam, Prithvi Tattva. It is Shabda. Sorry, this Jalam is typo. Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha. Lakara is Prithvi and it has 5 characters. Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandham. So 5 characters. I repeat fast. Hakara is Akasha and it is Shabda Tattva. 1 Tattva is available. In Kakara, the represented Panchabhuta Tattva is Vayu and it has 2 gunas, Shabda and Sparsha. Repa is Agni Tattva and it has 3 gunas, Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa. Sakara is Jala Tattva, it has 4 gunas, Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa. And Lakara is Prithvi Tattva, it has 5 gunas, Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha. 5 gunas. And what is the speciality of this 21st mantra? Yomadi Janaka Ha Ka Ra Sa La Arnaihi Gatanena Panchabhutamayi Pancha Chatuhu Tri Dve Yekada Shabdadi Gunatma Panchadasha Varna. What is this Panchadasha Varna? How come this Panchadasha comes? I understand Pancha. Panchadasha, how it will come? You have to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. One plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. How much? Need calculator? Yes. No, I am showing Sampradayartha. Can you see Sampradayartha Nirupanam on screen?
No, Swamiji.
No, Swamiji. Bhavartha Nirupanam.
Okay, I will show. Now?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes. I repeat. Sampradayartha Nirupanam Vyomadi Janaka Hakara Salarnaihi Gatanena Panchabhutamayi Pancha Chatuhu Tri Dve Ekaga Shabdadi Gunatma Panchadasha Varna. This is the shloka. Starting from Vyoma. Vyoma means Akasha, Janita or Janaka. Akasha, Vayu, Jalam, Agni, Prithvi. 5 tattvas are born out of these 5 hakaras. In the previous shlokas we studied. And now it is continued. And this shloka speaks about the gunas. Prithvi is having Pancha Guna. Jalam is having Turiya Guna. And Agni is having Tritiya Guna, Triguna. And Agni is having Triguna. I repeat, Pancha Guna, Turiya Guna, Tritiya Guna, Dvitiya Guna, Eka Guna. All these gunas are combined. Since you could not be able to see the screen, I repeat. Akashaha Tattva is having only Shabda. Akasha has only one guna. Only sound can travel through Akash Tattva. And in Vayu Tattva, 2 things are there. Shabda and Sparsha. Shabda and Sparsha. Touch sense is also there in Vayu Tattva and it takes Shabda also. Whereas in Akasha, there is no touch sense. You cannot feel Akasha by touching. And in the same manner, Repa denotes Agnihi and Shabda Sparsha, the third character Rupa comes and sits along with the previously available 2 characters. Agni is having 3 characters, Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa. And Jalam is having 4 characters, Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa. 4 characters. Rasa means taste, Rupa means the vision. And now in Prithvi Tattva, you see 5 characters. Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha. Gandha means smell. So now it says Shabdadi Gunatma Panchadasha Varna. It says Panchadasha Varna. There are 15 Varnas in Kayalagrim, Asakalagrim, Sakalagrim mantra. There are 15 mantras and these 15 mantras, 15 aksharas are representing these 15 characters. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 15. Now you have got 15. Panchadasha Varna means 15. What are those 15? Shabda, Shabda Sparsha, Shabda Sparsha Rupa, Shabda Sparsha Rupa Rasa, Shabda Sparsha Rupa Rasa Gandha. Again, you have to add. You should not think this Shabda is also the same Shabda. This Shabda is also the same Shabda which came first. It doesn't mean like that. The first coming Shabda is the Shabda Tattva of Akasha. The second Shabda is Shabda Tattva of Vayu and so on. So every character is individual characters. So each are represented by this 15 aksharas. Tat tat, tat tat janakaihi, tat tat janakaihi, वर्णैः तत्तत् संख्यैः तु तत् गुणा जाताः कामकलाभिः चतुस्रुभिः आसीत् स्पर्शः चतुर्विधः न तु कैः. This is the 22nd shloka. We'll see the meaning of the 22nd shloka. tat tat janakaihi, the tattvas which are giving birth to bhutas, or tat tat janakaihi varnaihi. Varna means letter. So these tattvas are compared with the varna and their guna, tat guna jatah. Guna jatah. And from that the gunas are born. So this is because of the Hrimkara which has E. That is what? The Kamakalabihi Chatusrubihi. Shabda Guna. The Shabda Guna, how many times it comes? Anybody? How many times Shabda Guna comes in this chart?
5 times, Swami.
5 times.
All these Shabda Gunas are born from Shabda, are born from Hakara. Because Hakara comes 5 times. In Kayala Hrim, Hasakala Hrim, Sakala Hrim, Hakara comes 5 times. So 5 Shabdas are born. Then Sparsha. These Sparsha are born. Sparsha are born from Ikara. I will take the Sanskrit Akshara. Shabda. How many times? 5 times from the letter Ha. Sparsha is born from Ikara. And Rupa. Rupa is born from Repa. And Rasa. Rasa is born from Sakara. And Gandha is Gandham is born from Lakara. So this is 4, 3, 2, 1. How many ikaras there in the Shabda, in the Kayala mantra? How?
4.
4, Swami.
4.
How? In Hrim.
Sparsha word is 4.
Yes.
Sparsha word is 4 times.
No, I'm asking E, how come?
4.
Comes 4 times. In Hrim Kara, 3 Ikaras are there. Kayayila, Hrim, Kayayi, 1 E. And in Hrim Kara, 3 Ikaras are there. 3 plus 1, 4. Like that you have to understand. And Repa. In Hrim, 3 Repas are there. Hrim has 3 Repas. Hrim, Kayayila Hrim, Hasakala Hrim, Sakala Hrim. 3 Repas are there. And Asaka Halahrim, Sakalahrim, two Sakaras are there. And Kayayi La, only one Lakara is there. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Om Shri Matre Namaha. Dhanyavadaha. Shraha Mila.
Thank you, Swamiji.
Welcome.
Thank you, Swamiji.
Yes, welcome. If you have any
Thank
doubt,
you, Swamiji.
Thank you, Swamiji.
Nandri Guruji.
Nandri. Om.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
Dhanyavadaha.
Hari Om Swamiji.
Hari Om. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you, Swamiji.
Thank you. Welcome.